Welcome to Business Central video series. This is Michael Pito from Vistas Cloud. Filtering is more advanced and versatile way to control which records to display in a list or report. It shows records where the field exactly matches, including the text's case, unless special filter symbols are entered. You might want to see the related video filtering by text and numbers. To display the filter pane for a column on a list, click the drop-down arrow and select Filter. Alternatively, you can press Shift F3 on your keyboard. On the posting date filter, enter double dots followed by the date, and it will show the start date up to the specified date. Or date filter range from start date with double dots to end date. You can also use greater than, less than or equal sign.